Bat and ball, glove and base. Baseball developed from other similar bat and ball games in the 1800s North America. In 1846, the first official game was played in New Jersey. Nowadays, baseball is played and watched all over North America. The Americans love baseball. Some even say it's the national sport. A lot of the American values can be transferred to baseball. The individual strength, liberty, freedom, the list goes on. But enough about culture and history. Let's get to the important part: science. The average speed of a so-called fastball in the MLB, the largest American baseball league, is a thundering 91 miles per hour. That's 146 kilometers per hour. The distance between the batter and the pitcher is around 18.5 meters. This gives the batter 453 milliseconds to react and adapt to the pitch. Though it takes an average batter 166 milliseconds from the point where he initiates the swing to the point where he hits the ball. During this time, the batter have already decided where he wants to hit the baseball and is unable to make any adjustments to his swing. This only leaves the batter with 287 milliseconds of reaction time. In order to hit a direct home run, the ball has to travel over 121 meters. Even if the ball travels in an angle of 45 degrees, the ball still has to travel at 37.5 meters per second. That's the same speed as a speeding car on a US highway, and that's without considering the wind resistance. The fastest MLB hitters can run from first base to home in under 4 seconds. That's 90 feet. This gives an average speed of 6.8 meters per second or 24.6 kilometers per hour. Remember that this is not in a straight line, this is a run with 2 turns. With all these data, I think we can all agree that baseball players are amazing athletes. But that's not all natural. In 2007, American politician and businessman George Mitchell published a report about the abuse of steroids in baseball. In the report, 80 baseball players, including 7 MVPs and 30 MLB All-Stars, were revealed and accused of taking steroids. Baseball players use steroids to build up their muscles. Steroids increase the level of the male gender hormone testosterone in the human body. It can be up to 20 to 30 times higher than the normal amount after using steroids. The human body naturally wants to balance out the gender hormones. This means that the body produces more estrogen, the female gender hormone. Now your body starts showing the side effects of steroids. You start developing bitch tits. The testicles become smaller and you're unable to produce sperm. That's all cosmological, but it's not all. Steroids use can also lead to liver damage, heart attacks, and even cancer.